Hello and welcome to Jeevan Bima Bazaar. I am your trainer Ritesh Kumar Upadhyay, and today we are going to talk about one of the biggest questions every life insurance agent faces: how to find new clients and build success in this business. In this video, I will share practical strategies that are easy to follow. You will learn how to treat your contact list as your real capital, why it is important to meet at least 3 new people every day, how referrals from existing clients can open new doors, and how service and trust can create long-term relationships. I will also share real examples and simple steps that you can start using from today itself. This video is not about theory. It is about action and real growth. If you find value in this content, please subscribe to Jeevan Bima Bazaar and press the bell icon for regular updates. In today's video, we are going to talk about those practical tested principles of success in the life insurance business. These principles will guide you not only in the early days of your agency, but also in building a strong and long-term career. To make this video simple and clear, I have divided into different sections. On the video timeline, you will see the name and time of every topic. So if you want to learn about a specific part, you can go directly to that section. But before we begin, I have a small request for you. Please watch this video with full attention and make notes along the way. These notes will not only help you today, they will also become a ready-made guide for your future. Always remember this. Just collecting information is never enough. Real success comes when you repeat that knowledge again and again, and then apply it in real life. So let us now move to the very first section of today's video. Friends, let me ask you a simple question. What is the real capital of an insurance agent? Is it not money? Is it not policy? The real capital is the name of people you know. Yes, every single name you write in your diary is a hidden treasure. The more names you have, the more opportunities you create for your business. Let me share the story of Shiv Kumar. He started his career as an LIC agent with a big dreams. But in the beginning, he only knew few friends and relatives. Within a few months, he had already approached all of them. And as a result, he could sell only 7 policies. Now tell me honestly, have you also faced a similar situation in your early days? Many agents do. After finishing their close circle, they begin to ask, who should I meet next? This same challenge brought Shiv Kumar to me. After our discussion, he made a very important change. He stopped looking at friends and relatives only as prospects. Instead, he started building real relationships. Whenever a friend had a birthday or wedding anniversary, he personally visited them. When someone's child performed well in studies, he congratulated them. Slowly, people began to like him and trust him. And then, when he started that he wanted to achieve his sales target, say 5 new policies, his friends and contacts come forward to help. They introduce him to their neighbors, relatives, and even colleagues. Today, after 5 years, Shiv Kumar proudly says, I do not worry about where to find clients. His diary now has more than 400 names, and each one is a door to new opportunities. So remember this, your diary is not just paper, it is your true capital. If you nurture every name with care and trust, those names will multiply your business many times over. Friends, if you want long-term success in the life insurance business, there is one golden mantra. I want you always remember. Consistent effort. Yes, success does not come overnight. It comes when you meet new people every single day. Introduce yourself and slowly build strong relationships. This is what finally makes you one of the top agents in your branch. Let me share a very inspiring story with you. This is the story of Mrs. Seema Verma. Just 2 years ago, she was a housewife, busy with her 2 children. But when her husband fell ill, she started searching for a way to earn income. During that time, she watched one of my videos on this channel, Jeevan Bima Bazaar. After watching, she contacted me and with my guidance, she began her career as a life insurance agent. Like most beginners, her early days were full of challenges. She would talk to people about life insurance products, but closing sales was not easy. Many of you might have faced the same, right? After we spoke, she decided to follow one simple but powerful rule. She promised herself, every single day, I will talk to at least 3 to 4 new people about life insurance. And she stuck to this rule. Whether she was in the vegetable market, at a parent-teacher meeting, or even just running errands, she always introduced himself and spoke about life insurance. At first, people did not take her seriously. But Seema did not give up. She remained consistent. Slowly, people began to notice her sincerity, and then the result started to come. In her very first year, she sold 73 policies. This year, she has already sold 69, and 19 more proposals are almost ready for submission. Today, Seema Verma is not only supporting her family financially, but she is also respected in her community as the trusted life insurance advisor. So what is the lesson for you? Never underestimate the power of small diary efforts. These simple conversations done consistently build your professional network and open new doors of success in your life insurance career. Friends, let me now share with you one of the most powerful secrets of success in the life insurance business. That is referrals. If you really want to grow fast, you must learn how to get referrals from your clients. Believe me, referrals are pure magic. They make your sales easier and help you achieve big goals in less time. Let me tell you a real story. This is about Mr. Arvind, a very experienced life insurance advisor. At one stage of his career, he felt stuck. He already had more than 400 clients. But he told me, "Sir, I come from a small town. I feel I have already sold policies to almost everyone here. Now I do not see any new prospects." Have you ever felt like this in your own journey? That your market is finished? Honestly, I do not believe any market can ever finish. There are always opportunities. So I guided him to take a new approach. He took out the list of all his clients and first selected those who were closest to him and most satisfied with his service. Then he started meaningful conversation with them. But instead of simply saying, "Please give me some names," he asked powerful questions like these. Imagine if your friend's child had to leave school because of financial problem. How would you feel? What if your friend's family had no money for basic needs like food and shelter? And what if your friend's daughter marriage could not happen due to the lack of money? Naturally, no one liked to even imagine such situations. Then he asked the follow-up question. If your friend's wife come to you for financial help, how long could you really support her? Would it be enough for all her needs? And of course, the answer was always no. At that moment, Arvind would explain, "You can actually help your friend today. Just tell them about your own life insurance policy. Because of that policy, if anything happened to you, your family will still be secure. Encourage your friends to do the same for their family." Friends, this simple approach changed everything. His clients started recommending him to their relatives, colleagues, and neighbors. At first, the results were slow because Arvind was meeting referral alone. But once he started visiting those prospects together with his client, the trust was immediate and results were amazing. Very soon, Arvind qualified for MDRT, the dream milestone of every life insurance advisor. So what is the lesson here? A satisfied client is not just a customer. They are your walking advertisement. If you serve them with honesty and dedication, every single client can bring at least 5 new clients to you. Friends, if you want to be known as a successful and professional insurance advisor in your area, then please understand one simple truth. The business is not just about selling policies. It is about building trust, relationships, and reliability. Life insurance stands one on foundation, confidence. And when you succeed in winning the confidence, your clients naturally begin to believe in you. That is the real beginning of your unstoppable success story. Let me share a real life example. This is about Mr. Raghavendra, an advisor with a private life insurance company in India. It was just after COVID. Like many others, he too was struggling financially. One day, he watched one of my YouTube video on my channel Ritesh LIC Advisor. That video was about why LIC is one of the most trusted companies. After watching, he reached out to me and said, "Sir, I want to join LIC." Now, since his company was also good, I advised him not to switch. But he told me, "Sir, no matter how much efforts I put in, I am unable to get sales. What should I do now?" And this is where things changed. On my advice, he decided to go beyond just selling insurance. He made a new promise to himself that he would genuinely help people with their insurance, banking, and postal service problems. He started telling his clients and friends, "If you know anyone facing issues with their life insurance policy, bank account, or post office account, give them my number. I will sincerely try to solve their problem." Now think about it. Would you not recommend a person like that? Of course you would. And that is exactly what happened with him. Slowly, people began to trust his genuine approach. They saw he was not running after commission. He was truly helping. Whether it was solving the nomination problem in a bank account, helping with a LIC death claim, or fixing an issue in a postal saving account, he worked with patience, empathy, and dedication. One case I still remember. A client had purchased an LIC policy under the salary saving scheme. Sadly, after his death, LIC rejected the claim because no salary deduction had been made. The family was shattered, but Raghavendra stepped in. He fought for that family, worked on the case, and finally got the claim approved. When he told me how grateful the family was, I could feel the emotion of his voice. That gratitude was priceless. And today, people in his area say, "If you want to buy a life insurance policy, but it only from Raghavendra." So here is the big lesson for you. When you treat your client's problem as your own, they stop seeing you as just an advisor. They start seeing you as a part of their family. And such clients, they become your biggest supporter, your brand ambassador, ready to stand by you in any situation. Friends, let me tell you one thing very clearly. Success in any business is never the result of magic. It is always come from hard work, honesty, and dedication. And the life insurance business is no exception. If you want lasting success here, you have to follow some simple but powerful principles. Remember, it is not about one big step. It is about the small daily steps. Those consistent efforts, day after day, shape your journey towards growth and achievement. Now, I have seen this closely in my own experience. Whether you are a brand new agent or even an experienced agent, challenges will always come. But listen carefully. If you have confidence, persistence, and the right approach, you can overcome those challenges and move forward with success. So what should you do? Let me share 4 guiding principles with you. But I want you to write these down because these can completely change the way you work. First, your true capital is your prospect list. The names and contact details of the people you can approach. The bigger your list, the stronger your foundation of your future sales. Second, meet at least 3 new people every single day. Introduce yourself, tell them who you are and what you do. Even if you cannot sell that day, at least make sure people know your identity. Third, ask your existing client for introductions. Believe me, most people are happy to help. Talk to them about their friends, relatives, and colleagues. With their support, you can extend life insurance protection to many more families. Fourth, build trust before anything else. Never push for sale first. Focus on earning people's confidence. Because once trust is in place, sales follow naturally. Now just imagine, when you make these 4 pillars a part of your daily routine, people will stop seeing you as just an agent. Instead, they will see you as a trusted guide, a problem solver, and a reliable partner in their financial journey. And always remember this line: life insurance is not just a policy, it is a promise of security for someone's dream, for their family future. And when you fulfill that promise with honesty and sincerity, your clients themselves will open new doors of opportunity for you. Friends, I truly believe that today's video has given you a new direction and fresh ideas for your insurance career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button because your one like inspires me to create even better content for you. Also, do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they too can learn from these experiences and take their careers to the next level. And yes, your opinion really matters to me. So please write the comments and tell me what part of today's video did you find most valuable and what topic do you like to cover in the upcoming video. If this is your very first visit to my channel Jeevan Bima Bazaar, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss such inspiring and guiding videos about the life insurance business. Friends, always remember, continuous learning is the true key to growth. So stay connected, keep learning and keep moving forward towards greater success. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.